In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a swipe motion in Canva. This effect is ideal for sliding images or text smoothly from one page to the next, giving your project a clean, professional flow that feels like a natural swipe between scenes. Start with your layout on page 1. Place your first image or text exactly where it should end after the animation. Many creators choose the center, but any final position works as long as it's aligned and sized properly. Move to page 2 and position your next item slightly off-screen, such as just beyond the right edge. Keeping it hidden sets up the sliding entrance. After arranging page 2, duplicate the page so you have a consistent structure to build the rest of your sequence. Continue duplicating and adjusting for each new item. On every page, bring the next element into the center, while pushing the previous one off-screen in the direction you want it to exit. For a rightward swipe, move the new item in from the right and send the previous one out to the left. For a leftward swipe, reverse the movement. Keep sizes, alignment, and spacing identical so Canva can track the motion accurately. Using arrow keys ensures smooth, straight paths without jitter. Next, add your transitions. Click the plus icon between pages, choose Transition, then select Match Move or Flow. Match Move works best because it tracks similar elements across pages to create a seamless slide. Flow gives a softer, more fluid shift if you prefer a gentler look. Apply the transition across all pages for consistency. Hit the transition icon again and choose Apply between all pages so every movement feels unified. Finally, adjust timing. Set each page duration to control how long the viewer sees the content, and adjust the transition duration to determine how fast the swipe happens. A good starting point is around 1.5 seconds per page. Shorten it for a snappier motion or extend it for a smoother glide. Keep the timing consistent.